Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we will be cooking lamb shank curry. We've got 20 grams of garlic puree, 20 grams of crushed garlic and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. To this I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of natural Greek yogurt. Mix this in together, form a marinade. These beautiful lamb shanks in, and we'll get them covered with this marinade. Need to be refrigerated for a minimum 2 hours, but overnight is best. I'm going to do these overnight. Okay, so to a hot Dutch oven, I'm going to have 6 tomatoes that have been quartered, 100 grams of cashew nuts, and then just enough water to cover. Just a little bit more. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Mix all this in. And then I'm going to simmer for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, we need to puree this this marinade blend. Get it all in here. So let's go for the blend of this. Now, I don't want to be wearing this, so I'm going to be careful with it. I'm going to leave the lid off to begin with. Just mix it. Add the cap. Ready now for go. That's it, tomato paste is made. So we'll put that aside and we're going to get on with the onions and the spices. I've added 1 tablespoon of oil to the Dutch oven, and now we're going to add the whole spices. The whole spices are 1 5cm stick of cinnamon, 4 cloves, 2 black cardamoms, 2 star anise, half a teaspoon of mace. I'm just going to fry these for 1 minute to get the natural oils. large onion that I've chopped. Stir it down, get the spices mixed in. I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes until the onions have just started to go soft and turn brown. Right, we're going to add the spices now. We've got 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 chopped garlic cloves, 20 grams of ginger puree. Stirred in, and I'm just going to put these out for a couple of minutes. These are the lamb shanks that have been marinated overnight. Get them in the Dutch oven and get them browned on either side. Sauce to this now. Give it a stir. We'll get the onions and spices mixed in. Get the lid on and get cooking. Hold on, I forgot the bay leaves. Don't forget to add 2 bay leaves. So we're going to cook this for about 3 hours over a medium heat until the meat is tender and just about to fall off the bone. So 3 hours later, I'm just adding 100 grams of coconut milk. I'm just going to cook this out for a further 5 minutes. See now the sauce is thickened and we're ready. I'm just going to serve this on a bed of pillar rice with some fresh coriander on the top. So there we have it, Dutchy's lamb shank curry.